Many people believe keto means eating meat, and many people believe vegan means eating carbohydrates. So naturally, most people think these two worlds can't work together. But what if the real problem is not keto and not vegan, but structure versus guessing? This keto vegan system hits around 100 grams of protein at roughly 1,600 calories, while staying under 22 net grams in carbohydrates and structured for a slight calorie deficit. And this is important because this is not just about eating less. It's about eating in a way that supports your metabolism, keeps your protein high, and gives you a clear system instead of guessing. Before we start, one important thing. Most of the time, I personally prefer very simple, whole food, keto vegan meals that do not constantly imitate hyper-palatable processed foods. Because for me, this creates more stable ketosis, better binge control, and a calmer relationship with food. But after building stronger metabolic flexibility and stability, occasional structured meals like keto pizza, muffins, or ice cream can absolutely still be part of the lifestyle. The key is structure, awareness, and not turning every meal into a constant dopamine trigger. Full quantities are in the description below. We start with the dough. For one person, we use defatted almond flour, bamboo fiber, coconut flour, and psyllium husk. This creates structure without adding unnecessary carbs. We add plant milk, a small avocado, soy yogurt, and protein powder to create a soft, workable dough that still stays low carb. Let the dough rest, flatten it, and poke small holes so it bakes evenly. Now the sauce. Soy yogurt, nutritional yeast, garlic, and lemon. Simple, creamy, and functional. Now the protein base. 300 grams of smoked tofu. This is what anchors the meal. High protein, predictable, and easy to work with. Add vegetables and olive oil. Fat stabilizes the system and allows you to adjust calories easily. Now the cheese. Soaked almonds, nutritional yeast, and lemon. Blend until smooth until you get a creamy texture without any chunks. When baked, this turns into a soft, slightly elastic layer that gives you that classic melted effect. Bake everything at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. The crust firms up, the tofu gets slightly crispy, and the cheese melts into a creamy layer. Now here's something most people ignore. Don't eat everything at once. Eat your main meal, then stand up, move, walk or dance for 5 to 10 minutes. Then come back and finish your meal. This improves your metabolic response and stabilizes blood sugar. Now let's talk calories. This meal sits around 1,600 calories, which for many people is a slight deficit. But everyone is different. So instead of guessing, you adjust one thing: fat. 1 tablespoon of olive oil adds about 90 calories. And this is why tracking matters, because your body is individual. That's why I use a continuous ketone monitor. It tracks your ketones throughout the entire day in real time, so you can actually see what works for you. https://www.sibiosensor.com/Alina Culta. And don't forget the basics. Omega-3, multivitamin with B12, D3, and K2. Creatine, magnesium, and 2 Brazil nuts. So instead of asking which diet is better, ask yourself one question. Are you structured or are you guessing? Comment below. Make no compromises. Keto and vegan works. Simple, structured, effective.